everyone, my name is Rosette Twizere. I am the founder of Tandika Uganda Academy that trains women, girls and youth how to make sandals, how to make shoes, bags and other hands-on skills. Today I want to address the issue of elastic webbing sandals like this one. When these straps, let's call them the webbing straps, were introduced on the market, a lot of people got excited. The designs are looking nice. Everyone was really excited about their design. They came in different designs like these ones, and yeah, the shoes would look really good after making them. So after some time, some people kept bringing them to us that they have lost their elasticity. They can no longer hold their foot or their feet. So today I want to show you how to do it. After repairing many sandals, I've realized people are doing it badly. So I want to show you how do you do it to avoid this issue. Because after 2 weeks, after 1 week, you find that this one has lost its elasticity and it is stretching. So your leg can no longer be comfortable when you're walking. So this is how we do it. At Tandika Uganda, ours we put lining inside like this. The way you're seeing this one, we put this lining. This lining comes in different colors. You choose which one you want to use. Like for this one, we use the black. So all you need is your gum brush, your lining and leather for your lining and the webbing. You can choose to use the small one, or you can choose to use these big ones. So you measure what you want to use. You can see this one is elastic, but we are going to put webbing, and after putting webbing, it will no longer stretch. It will lose its elasticity, but the design will remain. That's the point. So you put your gum here, this gum, then you put it also here inside the webbing. This is the inside part. You let the gum to dry, then after you come and attach it like this. You come attach, then you can use your hammer, you can use your mallet to punch and make it firm. So after making it firm, you can cut it out and it will be like this one here. So the design will remain like this, like the way you're seeing this one. It will no longer stretch. The design will remain, but the shoe with the lining, it will lose its elasticity, but the design will remain. All that matters is now the design, but not the way the people want it to stretch. Because if you want it to stretch, trust me, with 2 weeks, 3, it keeps losing its elasticity and you no longer need it. So you can do it in different designs. You can use different. There are many webbings on the market that are elastic. You just need the linings to put the linings inside to avoid the customers to come back and start complaining. Thanks for watching. I remain Rosette Twizere.